And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight.
Hello cuties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Janelle. So I'm currently right outside of my friend's house. I'm about to pick her up and this vlog is just gonna be us hanging out today. It's literally gorgeous. This is my friend that I just met in January. Yeah, literally. Right? It feels like it's been years. My friend Marlene, special guest.
Hi.
It feels like we're doing like karaoke, car karaoke or something.
I'm excited. This is fun.
Slid in your DMs. She slid in my Twitter DMs in November and we've been friends ever since. Like, it's amazing.
Soulmates at this point.
Yeah, we see each other like 4 times a week. So what we're doing today, we're literally just gonna be driving around. It's 90 degrees, we're sweating.
Dying. So the sundresses are coming out. We're so excited.
We're both wearing Fashion Nova. Yes. You can't really tell. We're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna go get lunch somewhere. We're gonna go shopping. We're spending the whole day together.
Yes, I'm so excited.
We're trying to take photos before the light goes down.
Yeah. It's
but
just
they're all ugly.
Right.
So right now we are house shopping.
House hunting.
All right, this is house number 1. What is this one called? Cressida, okay. It's fun to pretend to be rich. Right. Literally. All right, let's go in. No. 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 Can we have this house? Oh my god. How fun. So this is the office.
Let's see this. Favorite part.
Here's the bathroom. The closet. This is the closet I want. For sure. I always.
Actually for the YouTube video.
For the YouTube video. Do it for the YouTube video. Going on house number 2. Everything is marble.
This is literally
oh my god.
Green, white.
Oh my god, you guys wait till we go outside. I love this. Oh my god, what's in here? Is this another office? Oh, it's like a little, yeah, a little hangout area. Another, oh, it's like a little movie theater room. Oh my god, infinity pool. Just kidding, guys. You guys know we can't afford this shit. You guys know we have no money. But you know what? It's nice to dream. And we also just want to show you guys. So let's do this. Oh my god. Marlene. This is what an infinity pool. Oh my god. Glass jacuzzi. I like the palm trees in the front. This looks like these all look like Spanish style homes. Mars, do the honors of the grand opening.
Love to. Not a ooh. Okay.
Crystal chandelier. You guys look at the chandelier. This is gorgeous. I like how the family room is like over here, away.
I like this.
Dude, the iPhone quality is so nice. Marlene. Oh my god. I love this shower, Marlene. I don't know if I like. Actually, I kind. Is it? We're starving, so no one is talking.
Oh my god, we're filming right now. Okay.
We were just saying how
we want to move out.
We just want to move. It's just a dream to like live in a home with like that with glass. I just want glass doors everywhere.
I look for a view. View with the glass doors. It's so pretty.
So it's definitely fun to dream.
Definitely fun.
Inshallah, one day. But my favorite house was the first one because I like the modern look of it.
Me too.
I think that one was the best.
I think we both have to say the first home we went to.
Let's tell them how we met. Like actually how we met.
Janelle, I found her on like Twitter or something. I found her on like Twitter. She came across my timeline on Twitter, so I followed her. I saw that she was Jordanian. I saw she was going through some things that I was going through as well, so I just like hit her up. I'm like, girl, you live in LA, you just moved out here, and we're both Jordanian. We're both the same age, and I can see that you're going through exactly what I'm going through at the same time. We need to hang out. Like, it's just a must. I actually like found our DMs not too long ago.
Let's find them. Let's pull them up. You think that after a breakup and stuff, you need like a rebound or but sometimes you just need like a friend. Yeah, exactly.
Seriously, and we booked our first trip together.
Yeah, we booked our first trip together.
Yeah, we went to where did we go? San Diego.
Oh, we went to San Diego
spontaneously. That was so much fun.
We just went for the night.
That was
fun. But it was raining, and am I going the right way?
Yeah, you're just gonna keep going down.
By the way, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. And then Topanga Mall. We're literally getting there right when happy hour starts. It's like perfect. Marlene is half Jordanian and half Syrian, so she speaks Arabic too. Yes. So I'm so happy because she introduced me to all her family and friends.
Oh, I found her DM.
Okay, read it.
July 13, 2017. Just wanted to let you know you are so fire, girl. Don't ever let any guy ruin things for you. No guy is worth it. I'd always come across your tweets about relationships because I just got out of one too. But girl, you're killing it and keep doing you. And then she's like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, beautiful. With
and
all
then
the emojis.
And then when was that? November? We kept saying, oh, let's hang out, and then we never hang out, like one of those things. And then we finally were like, okay, yalla, like khalas, both of us stop bullshitting, let's do it.
Yeah.
So my mom always tells me that Marlene and I found each other for a reason, and that.
You know what? She actually just messaged.
Okay, yeah. Let's see what.
Literally like 15
Since we were
minutes
just
ago.
speaking about this. Read it. What she said.
Yeah, she's like, I am so happy Janelle met you. I feel like you are a gift from God. She needed a friend after everything she's gone through. Thank you. And I always tell my mom the same thing. I'm like, Mom, I seriously feel like I met this girl because I just feel like she's guiding me in a more positive way into life.
And likewise, it's like positive energy bouncing back.
Yeah, and we're just having so much fun. Life's too short. We both came down to the conclusion, like, life is too short to dwell on so much negativity and toxic things in life. Like, enjoy it, travel, live life, make some new friends, have fun, and that's literally exactly what
we are trying to say yes more to things and just like be more spontaneous and kind of a fuck it attitude. Like, fuck it. Like,
Shuwarana.
We have to cut this out. We have to cut this out already. Hey guys, we just got to the Cheesecake Factory.
I'm so excited to eat their brown bread. Right.
Let's get out of here. Cut.
Oh my god, my seatbelt wasn't even on. What? I feel so.
You can eat, girl. We're starving. We're starving. So we got the chicken pot stickers on the happy hour, and we got the. I think this is chicken Tex-Mix egg rolls or something like that. It looks good.
Chicken tacos.
Oh, Asian chicken tacos.
So good.
So good. Alright.